Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Stock Pay. Today we'll discuss what we can expect for Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow, and for some stocks as well. And we also go through briefly about what happened Friday and what we can expect in the next week as well. So if you see Nifty, we have expected like it is forming like head and shoulders, and near to this level, 150 levels are not saying that we will be shorting it. So if you see Bank Nifty opening morning itself, it opened at high of 23,133. Just missed our resistance, but it acted as we have predicted. So as long as it is not crossed this 23,150, we are expected somewhere around hitting the lows of this one. So it had hit 22,774 and reversed a bit in the end. So because it has reached the extremely oversold zone here, you can see extremely oversold zone here, and also formed a good kind of dragonfly doji here and a hammer here at the lows. So and it has reversed nicely. But we have expected this level, it has hit continue correctly, and we also predicted if it is not breaking this level, we can expect some bounce. And if it is breaking below this level, we have expected more fall. But unfortunately, means it clearly didn't break the lows and reversed a bit. So what we can expect tomorrow is like this 23,150 will act as a resistance for next week completely. So as long as it is trading below this level, we'll use any rising opportunity to short the Nifty. So here, if you see the recent resistances, so it is falling around 22,960 levels. So this 950, 960 level will act as a resistance for tomorrow. Only about 22,960, we can expect a movement up to 23,150. So as long as it is trading below 22,960, we can short for 22,750 to 70 levels. And below that, we can expect more fall for Nifty. So still market is in a sell and a rise mode. We suggest not to go for fresh longs at any point. But soon these will bottom out and we'll get a relief rally, and we'll let you know in advance where we can expect the advance rally. So below this, it is going to be very weak, 22,750 below, and 22,950 and 960 also below weak. So as long as it is trading below 22,960, we can aim for 22,750 to 770, and below that more weakness. And upper side, we have very good resistance at 23,140 to 150 levels. Now we also look into like a 1 month chart of Nifty. So if you see here, Nifty also like forming a kind of inverted cup and handle pattern. So this level is crucial for Nifty for the next 1-2 weeks, 22,750 to 770 levels. So as long as this is holds, so it will try to bounce. So these levels are broken, we can expect a minimum fall of this length. The handle length is somewhere around 22,232, 22,780, approximately around 450 points. So if it is Nifty breaking 22,750, we can expect fall up to 22,300. So even the weakness is still continued and still the bearishness is there, then we can expect fall up to this length, the cup's depth. So this is approximately 1,000 points. It is from 22,800 to it is went to 23,830, 22,807. So approximately 1,000 points of rally. So we can expect fall minimum of 22,300, below 22,750, and below that 22,300, we can expect fall up to 21,800 in the Nifty in the coming days. So this is going to be market will be very sluggish and volatile. The volumes are changing very drastically. Means huge selling is taking place in small caps and mid caps. So that pressure will continue. So we are expecting a minimum fall of 22,300 for Nifty in the coming 1-2 weeks. So if this holds, then our means idea of the means sell on rise to will go for a buy for that to 23,150. So for the entire next 1-2 weeks, 23,150 will act as a crucial resistance. As long as it is trading below this level, we'll short on rise, and only above this, we'll go for a fresh buy. So next we'll look into Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if we adjoin the recent resistances, so one is sitting at 49,500. So if we adjoin the recent resistances, one resistance where the supply was taken place, here there was a good supply, and here also there is a good supply, and here also one good supply. So if we adjoin this level, so it is sitting somewhere around 49,500 to 520 levels. So this will act as one resistance. And here 49,200 to 230 will act as a one resistance for tomorrow. If Bank Nifty is crossing 49,220 or 200 levels and some buying is seen, so we can expect movement up to 49,500 to 550 levels for the Bank Nifty. So as long as it is trading below 49,200, we can expect up to 48,720 levels, which are the lowest levels, means like kind of double bottom also here it is formed. So this level will act as a very, very good support now. So below this 48,700, it is going to be more weak. We can see up to 48,400, even 300 levels also for the Bank Nifty. So 49,200 is one resistance and 49,500 is another resistance. So we will buy freshly only above 49,500. As long as it is trading below 49,500, we will use this rise as a selling opportunity for the Bank Nifty as well. And we also look into Bank Nifty for a week of time. So if you adjoin the recent resistances, so this 49,500 is acting as a very, very good resistance now. So as long as it is below 49,500, we can expect weakness in the Bank Nifty, and the next support sitting at 550 levels. Sorry, 650 levels. That is 48,650 levels. So below this, we can expect fall up to this level, 48,145, because this is a gap it is left over while previous up move, while going upside previously. So it has made a gap, and this gap is not yet filled. So this gap, maybe it will try to fill this gap that is coming to somewhere around 48,145. But if still there is weakness, we can see fall up to 48,900 also for the Bank Nifty in the coming week. So these are the levels for the Bank Nifty. So as long as it is trading below 49,500, we'll use this any rise as a selling opportunity for the lower levels of 48,650 and 48,150. So this is what the levels for Bank Nifty. And we'll look into the stocks now. So the first stocks we are looking into is TCS. So TCS is held 3,900 quite good, and it is bounced a bit as expected. We have expected resistance till 3,955. So approximately it did that, like somewhere around 3,945 it did and reversed. So for tomorrow, again, this 3,950.55 will act as a resistance. And above this level, 3,950, we can expect movement up to till this level, which is 3,985. So as long as it is trading below 3,955, so we'll try to sell it and rise for 3,900 levels. And if 3,900 is also broken, we can expect another 30 to 50 points of fall in the TCS. So only about 3,950 will buy for 3,985. And if it is not sustaining this level or this levels, we'll short it again for the lower levels of 3,950 and 3,900 or even lower for the TCS. So next we'll look into Infosys. So Infosys also taken good support at the lower levels and bounced along with the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So for tomorrow, we have very good resistance at this level for Infosys, 1,865. So if 1,865 is sustained, so we can expect move up to 1,874. So as long as these levels are not taken, so we'll use this rise as any rise as a selling opportunity for 1,850, and 1,850 below, we can expect fall till 1,820 for the Infosys. So these are the levels we are expecting for Infi for tomorrow. And next, we look into ICICI. So ICICI also it is quite slow with the Bank Nifty. So even the Bank Nifty is a bit too highly volatile, but ICICI is trading in a bit range. But it is still ICICI also is a sell and a rise opportunity. So now for tomorrow, 1260.61 will act as a good resistance. Above it, we can expect 1265 to 66 levels. So the 1266 will act as a very, very good resistance for tomorrow. So as long as this 1266 is not taken, we can sell it for lower levels of 1250 and below that 1244. And below 1244, it is going to be more weak. So next we'll look into the stock SBI. So SBI, that weakness is still continuing. So SBI has very, very good support at 715 levels. So below 715, we can expect fall till 708 or 703 levels. And as long as this 715 holds, we'll try to bounce till 731 and 735. So the 731 and 35 will act as a very, very good resistance zone for SBI. As long as these levels are not taken out, so we'll use the rise as an opportunity to sell for the levels of 715 or even lower. So these are the levels for Nifty, Banknifty and stocks tomorrow. Mark the levels and trade the levels. Have a wonderful trading day tomorrow.